This question says simplify each of the following by collecting like terms. Simplify each of the following by collecting like terms. Okay. So before we begin, let's just put a little take note here. Take note. Terms. First point. Terms are formed by a combination of numbers and letters, okay, that are multiplying, dividing, and exponentiating or powering. So that's what forms a term. Okay, they are glued together with those three operations: multiply, divide, exponent. Okay, we can call them MDE: multiply, divide, exponent. That's what forms a term. Okay. Terms are separated by either plus and subtract sign. Okay. So terms are separated by the plus and subtract sign. Like terms have identical letters with same exponents, or I have identical combination of letters with the same exponents. Okay, please take note of that. So for example, when we look at (6x), we look at negative 4y, we look at a plus 8x, we look at a plus 9y. 6x is a term. Negative 4y is a term. Plus 8x is another term. This is wrong. Plus 9y is a term. Okay, there are 4 terms. Now the ones that I like is the ones with identical combination of letters and exponents. So the coefficient, meaning the number in front of the letter, doesn't matter. Okay, so 6x and plus 8x alike. Okay. 6x and plus 8x alike, even though the 6 and the 8 are different because the coefficients are different, but the letters and the exponent, there's an exponent of 1. Once that is identical, the term is identical. And negative 4y and a plus 9 are like. Okay, so we have 6x plus 8x. If you want, you can put your little hand here. It's up to you. (6x plus 8x) and minus 4y plus 9y. They are like terms. Once the terms are like, you can add and subtract the coefficients. The combination of letters and exponents does not change. It is not affected. 6x plus 8x will give us 12x. No, 14, sorry. 14x. Okay. Subtract 4y from 9y. That will give us a positive 5y. Okay. So this is a simplification of this expression. And these are the like terms grouped up. And you can just simply add and subtract the coefficients, meaning number in front of the letter. You can even add this here as a take note, coefficients. Because that's a term you can add to your vocabulary when talking about expressions. Coefficients multiplies. Multiply to the letters. Okay. So 4, -4, 6, -4, 8, and 9. These are coefficients. They are multiplying to the letters. So you can simply add the coefficients. 8 plus 6, 6 plus 8 equals 14. Or subtract the coefficients if you have to. -4 and the 9 will give us a positive 5.